Alright, RC Overdosers, so with that, I will be ending today's session. I hope you enjoyed today's video. This was an amazing terrain. I mean, it's always good to walk around a little bit and find something new for your crawlers, because crawling could get interesting sometimes. And just with different spots and unique locations, you can just build that strategy of crawling properly and, you know, performing better with your friends. So, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys next time on RC Overdose. Have a great day, guys. See you later. Peace.